Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're giving you an update on the Unico hotel that is being built out in Lilliput. Now this hotel is part of the Elegant Corridor, or this area I should say is a part of the Elegant Corridor. Straight ahead to the top of the screen is the Iberostar Hotel, and then that open lot that you see between this hotel and Iberostar, that's where the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is going to be. And then this is the Unico, and then to the left of this hotel is where the Moon Palace Hotel is going to be. And then you have there's another hotel right beside there, Sea Castles, and then you have a lot of hotels continuing along the strip until you get to Montego Bay. So this is what you call, this one area has the most hotels anywhere in Jamaica. And of course, you know, Montego Bay is the tourist capital of Jamaica. So the Unico is going to be 451 rooms. It's going to be a luxury hotel. And you can just see from the size of the area that's under construction, it's going to be a massive hotel, a massive area. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. And it's scheduled to open in, well, I think they had said 2025, but we are now in August, so it's probably early 2026, but we'll keep you guys updated. The announcement of Unico Hotel Montego Bay marks a new chapter in Jamaica's tourism landscape. This adults-only, all-inclusive resort developed by the AIC Hotel Group promises not only luxury and elegance, but also a model of community-centered investment that reflects a fresh approach to hospitality. Much like its sister property in Riviera, Mexico, Unico Montego Bay is designed to immerse guests in authentic local culture while offering world-class accommodations and amenities. One of the defining features of the resort is its commitment to sophisticated design and comfort. With approximately 451 ocean view guest rooms, the property will set a high standard in modern resort living. Ground floor swim-up suites and outdoor hydro spa tubs for most modern rooms create a sense of exclusivity and relaxation, while innovative double rooms with 2 king-size beds break new ground in Caribbean hospitality. Every detail from personalized minibars to 24-hour room service is aimed at offering guests a seamless blend of luxury and convenience. Alright guys, that's the latest on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.